10th. In subject IT, I discussed in the previous lecture what is database, what is DBMS software, what is the use of DBMS software to maintain database. Today I will discuss how database works. Database कैसे वर्क करता है, कैसे मेंटेन करता है डेटा को. Database system do not maintain separate copies of the same data. Rather, all the data are kept at one place and all the applications that require data refer to the centrally maintained databases as shown in the figure. Database management system यहाँ पर शो किया गया है. Database is shared among the different end users and application programs are shared. सेंट्रली कंट्रोल्ड डाटाबेस सिस्टम इसको कंट्रोल करेगा. इसका सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज है एक तो शेयरिंग का, दूसरा डाटा रिडंडेंसी इसमें नहीं होगी, डुप्लीकेसी एरर नहीं आएगा और इनकंसिस्टेंसी की प्रॉब्लम इसके अंदर क्रिएट नहीं होगी. नाउ इफ एनी चेंजेस इज टू बी मेड इनटू डाटा, इट विल बी मेड जस्ट one place and the same changed information will be available to all the applications referring to it. अगर कोई भी database के अंदर changes होता है तो वो सभी application में इफेक्ट करेगा और वो change एक ही बार में सब database के अंदर हो जाएगा और सभी यूज़र को वो सेम दिखाई देगा. It will be available to all the applications. We do not mean to suggest that all redundancy should necessarily be eliminated. Sometimes there are sound business or technical reasons for maintaining multiple copies of the same data in a database system. However, redundancy can be controlled up to the desired extent, and the system is aware of the redundancy if any. So we can say what are the advantages of databases. Database reduce the data redundancy to a large extent. Redundancy means duplication of data. Non-database system maintain separate copy of the data for each application. जो नॉन डाटाबेस सिस्टम्स होते हैं उसमें बहुत सारे रिकॉर्ड्स मेंटेन किए जाते हैं. अलग अलग फाइल्स में डाटा को सेपरेट कॉपी के रूप में सेव किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इन अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट रिकॉर्ड्स आर मेंटेन एंड द हॉस्टल आल्सो मेंटेन द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ ऑल दीज कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स हु लिव इन हॉस्टल. Even though the records for hostler students are already being maintained by the college, hostel keeps records for hostler students are already being maintained by the college. As far as the everything goes well, above mentioned file processing system works well. But duplication of the data may lead to inconsistency or incorrect data at times as mentioned in second paragraph. Duplication of data is called the redundancy. DBMS redundancy को ख़त्म कर देता है. It stores all the data at one place and all the application programs that require that data can refer to the same central place. The centralization makes sure that data remains consistent and secure. Second advantage है database can control data inconsistency to a large extent. Database के द्वारा data inconsistency को भी मिटाया जा सकता है. By controlling redundancy, the inconsistency is also controlled. Multiple mismatching copies of same data is known as data inconsistency. Third advantage है sharing of data is possible. Database management system makes sure that not only the existing application can share the data in the database, but also that new applications can be developed to operate against that same stored data. Fourth advantage है enforce standards. Standardizing stored data formats is particularly desirable as an aid to data interchange or migration between systems. Fifth advantage है ensure data security. Database management system ensures data security and privacy by ensuring that the only means of access to the database is through the proper channel, and also by carrying out the authorization checks whenever access to sensitive data is attempted. Authorization check और proper channel से database को access किया जाता है. तो ये आपके एडवांटेजेस थे डेटाबेसेस को मेंटेन करने के, जिसमें सिक्योरिटी भी रहती है और इनकन्सिस्टेंसी भी नहीं रहती और डुप्लीकेशन एरर भी नहीं आता डुप्लीकेशन डेटा का, और शेयरिंग इज़ ऑल्सो एनफोर्स्ड